Kada Vicky kada. 4 knot.
Guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's me, your internet bestie, Tjimbobi. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Let me not be rude. So as you guys know, we came to the farm 3 days ago. So in today's video, this is going to be a day in the life at the farm. So I hope you guys enjoy. We are going to Kanda, guys. We are going to Kanda. You know what? Mereka Kanda.
Lovies Saudi. Kada Vicky kada. 4 knot. Makambi gitu kan ubi habi. Yuni. Anda masuk tandu. Ya bushi da shi video shi mai shi wano. Mati ko ndo nyanda. Ako hangau. Ai kuzepan. Iya sesuatu. Maka diri rabu. Gimana nyamini?
What do you call a hair routine? Una's hair routine.
So first step is, this is
we
the
remove.
First step.
So you remove the braids
In sections.
in sections.
Natural hair gets
You. What did you do? What did you do? there. Hi guys.
Hectic now.
Hi guys. Okay, hi. We are burning the cowses. Marinya do ngombe no utfa ko bihako no.
Sister, you are late.
I'm late, ne?
Yes.
I'm very sorry.
Yes,
These are my brothers. We are burning the cows and putting the vihakos. Uno is the... Uno, what are you doing?
I'm heating up the iron so that the asters.
The Easter.
So that we can make the mugs.
Yeah. So we are putting on my dad's initials, so we know the cows are ours and not other people. If they steal them, then we'll have initials, a marker. Okay, you're missing out on the action, guys. Mamu keritare na bandar. Nyami mamu shitimi. This is not animal brutality, guys. We're just trying to let them sleep so we can burn them. Shipera shike. Yeah, ownership mark. We have to let them lie down like that. My sister is bringing the Easter. Oshine, enam ponomera. Nomer. Come on, Nuno. Kambure. Thank you, Uno. You're such a help. I don't know if you guys can see, but
Let's go.
come on. Chikwe. On the other side, so it's something like this. This is my dad's initial, Shik. So it's something like that, and also we cut the ears to make a mark like this. You know. So this one is the name, the Shik name, because my dad's name is Shika, so Shik. And the mom yana shi ne no mana. Bye Mila boy. Ome ngumoranga.
Nice.
Next.
Mehuri.
Water